Combining text and image to make a Canva template that you sell is totally allowed and follows Canva's rules. This is one of those things where they're not super specific, but they've actually updated their website to include examples. So I'm going to flip this around and show you. So basically the guideline is that you can't use standalone content. So we have this image here on its own, whether it's on its own on a design or on something like a mug or a t-shirt you can't use, but you can see over here, you've combined it with other elements. So you have the image and the text, and it is now your own design. So that would be allowed to use. And as for pro content, what they say is unless it's a template created for use on Canva, you can't use pro content in any templates of any nature. So basically, if you were to put pro content in something that someone would use on, I don't know what other tool other than Canva, but something like that, that is not allowed. The other thing to consider is if you are putting pro content in a template that's going to be edited on Canva, if your buyer does not have access to Canva Pro, they're not paying for it, they would have to then pay for that that Canva Pro item. So I typically don't recommend using it in that case. And lastly, this is the webpage that I was referencing. So if you have any other questions, you can just search for this and read through or watch the video.